Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the world of Firebase and React, and we'll use Vite as our build tool. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up Firebase in your React project and leverage its powerful features. But before we jump into coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. The first step is to create a Firebase account if you don't have one already. Head over to the Firebase console at firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Add Project to create a new project. Give your project a name and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your project. Now that we have our Firebase project set up, let's initialize our React project with Vite. Open your terminal inside any folder you like and run the following commands. 1. npm create Vite at latest. Then open your project with your favorite editor. I choose Visual Studio Code. With our React project set up, let's integrate Firebase. In your project directory, run the following command to install the Firebase SDK. npm install Firebase. Next, initialize Firebase with your project configuration. Go back to your Firebase console, click on your project, and navigate to Project Settings. Your app's Firebase SDK snippet config. Copy the configuration object and paste it in your firebase.jsx file. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated Firebase with React using Vite. In this tutorial, We covered creating a Firebase account, initializing a React project with Vite, installing Firebase, and configuring it in our React app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!